Hello students, a very good morning to all of you. How are you all? This is Lalit Verma and today I teach you English language and the chapter name is the preposition and the chapter number is 25. As in my previous class, I taught you about the preposition definition and write down on your fair copy. I have given you few examples. I have done the exercise number 1 and 2, but for some reasons few students are not present in the class, so I repeat the exercise number 1 and 2 for their work. After that I complete the exercise number 3 for all the students. So before starting the exercise 3, I will start the exercise number 1 and 2 again. Pick out the preposition in the following sentences. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. So here on is the preposition in this sentence. Okay. So underline the on. So underline the on in the sentence with the help of blue pencil. Okay. All of you underline the on word as a preposition. Answer it down. Okay. Now the second one is the cat sat under the chair. The cat sat under the chair. So the under is the preposition in this sentence. So you have to mark under as a preposition in this sentence. Now the third one is Amita lives near the sweet shop. The sweet is the adjective and the near is the preposition in this sentence. So you have to mark near as the preposition in this sentence. Now before, my house is beside her. Beside is the preposition in this sentence. All of you mark the preposition in this sentence with the help of blue pencil in your book. And after the class over, you have to send the picture of your exercise number 1, 2, 3 on the WhatsApp group holding. Okay? Okay students? Okay. Now, fifth one is we shall stay with friend in America. So, with is the preposition in this sentence. Underline the with. Next, six, mother will write to Rahul soon. To is the preposition in this sentence to relate the relation between the other words and put before a noun. As I said before that a preposition is a word put before a noun or a pronoun to show its relation to some other word in a sentence. So that is why to is used as a preposition in this sentence. Next, 7. The story is about a princess. So about is the preposition in this sentence. So underline the about as a preposition in this sentence. Now the ninth one is there is a wall around the garden. There is wall around the garden. So underline the around as the preposition in this sentence. Now the last, the 10th one is the thief ran across the lawn. So across is the preposition. Across is the preposition in this sentence, and you have to underline this. You have to underline the across in this sentence as a preposition. Okay? Now, turn your page. Sentence number 11. We jumped over a wall. We jumped over a wall. Over is the preposition in this sentence. Let us go for a walk. Here, for is the preposition in this sentence, and over define the relation in other words in the sentences, and for is used before the noun. So walk is your activity. So walk is your not noun, but here is no noun, but still you have to use for as a preposition. I prefer hot chocolate to cold coffee. To is the preposition in this sentence. Okay? Santa Claus sat beside the children. You know who is Santa Claus? Everyone know who is Santa Claus? Everyone know who is Santa Claus? You all don't know who is Santa Claus? Nishan Singh, Hiba Khan, Akshat Mishra. You don't know?
What, sir?
I am asking who is Santa Claus? You don't know? Santa Claus is Santa Claus? We celebrate 25 December as a Christmas Day, na? So on 25 December, yes. Tell me who know about the Santa Claus? Tell me who know the answer? नहीं, I am asking about who is.
25 दिसंबर को जन्म हुआ था.
Yes, very good. Now, Tina was a friend of the walrus. So of is the preposition in this sentence. So underline the of in this sentence. Okay. Now exercise number 2. Fill in the blanks with appropriate preposition given in the box. So the first sentence is I am afraid dash. I am afraid dash your bulldog. So what is the answer?
Sir, off.
Very good. Now the second one. Let us go dash a walk in the park. Let us go dash. For. It's for, beta, not for. It's for. We cannot pronunciate that word for. It's for. Okay. The third one is this dog barks at a stranger. Here you have to write at as a preposition. No, it is at. Correct your sentence. This dog barks at a stranger. Now the fourth one is can you direct me dash the museum? Here you use to as a preposition. Okay. Now the fifth one is have faith in God. Have faith in God. Yes? Yes, very good. In is the preposition in this sentence. Next, sixth. Is she related dash you? What is the preposition put in this bag? Anyone know the answer? Yeah, very good. The student who said with is giving the very good answer. Is she related with you? You have to write with in the sentence. Now the seventh one. The hunter aim dash the bird. The hunter aim dash the bird. Add the bird. Now next. Okay, so today as we start a new exercise number 3, the exercise is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with suitable from those given in the box. You may use a preposition more than once. Okay. So the first sentence is it is the need dash the R. So what we fill?
Beside.
No.
Beside.
Who said you need to fill beside here? Of. It is need of the R. The answer is of. The answer is of. It is the need of the R. Okay, so write of in this first sentence. Now, this second sentence. I reached the station. I reached the station dash the train. Wait, the train. Train had left.
Sir, your voice is not coming.
My voice is not coming. How can it be possible, beta? My voice is coming. Check your internet connection. Okay, so the answer is I reached the station after the train left. So you have to write after. Okay. Now, this road dash my house. What is the answer? Everyone agree that we have to fill 2 in this sentence, in the third sentence? Everyone agree? If I explain this sentence in Hindi, that means कि मेरा घर रोड पर है, इस रोड पर है। तो इस रोड पर रहने के लिए हम जो preposition यूज करेंगे वो हमारी होगी this road to my house. This road leads to my house. Now the fourth one. The fourth one. Turn your page and page number 81. The fourth one exercise. I will go dash. I will go dash church and pray. So students, why we go to church? Why we go to church? Tell me. Why we go to church? Yes, just for prayer. Okay, to Jesus Christ. So I will go to the church and pray for you. So you have to write to and for as the preposition in this sentence.
सर टू हमारे लिए लगेगा और आपके लिए लगेगा।
Yes, I will go to church. I will go to मतलब मैं जा रहा हूँ चर्च में, किस लिए? And pray for you. I will pray to all my students that they cleared the exam in very good marks, and from not every student but few students have to promote or fail. So I will pray for all the students that they will join the next class in the next session. So according to this, I will go to the church and pray for you. Now the fifth sentence. The airplane flew dash the city. Yeah, very good.
सर एरोप्लेन हम लोग की सिटी के ऊपर से जा रहा है।
Yes, very good. 4B student had a very good performance. 4B students have given a very good performance. Now the sixth one is, you're welcome my students. She came and said dash me. Yeah, very good. In the room. Yes, very good. She came and sat beside me. So the preposition is beside, and the second one is, and the second one is, and the second one is in. Now you have to notice that according to our preposition definition, better just close your mic. There are many disturbances. Okay, so according to the definition, I have taught you yesterday that a preposition is a word put before a noun or a pronoun to show its relation to some other word in sentence. So we use preposition before noun or pronoun. Here me is the preposition. Here me is the pronoun, and we use preposition before the pronoun. And the root is the noun. वो हमारा noun होता है ना. So we use it before the noun. Now the seventh one is. The seventh one is, I shall read you.
सर ऐट।
Yeah, very good. I shall read you dash the railway station. I shall read you dash the railway station. So, what we have to fill here? Everyone agree that we have to fill at here as a preposition. Everyone agree that we have to fill preposition. So I shall meet you at the railway station. Okay. Now the eighth sentence is, with a beating heart, I walk haunted castle. Haunted castle. With a beating heart. With a beating heart, I walked as the haunted castle. So what is the preposition we have to fill in that line? Yes? Yeah, very good. You have to put into. Okay. Now, the ninth one is star shine dash night.
सर इसका मतलब है कि सितारे हैं वो रात को चमकते हैं।
Okay, I have to write the next sentence here. Okay.
सर इसका मतलब है कि सितारे हैं वो रात को चमकते हैं।
Are very good. I think the 4D students done very well and they gave your exam and passed in very good marks. Star shine at night. Star shine at night. Okay. Now the last one and the 10th sentence is
सर इसका मतलब
This
है कि
message-
मैसेज तुम्हारे लिए है।
yes, very good. This message is dash you means ये मैसेज आपके लिए, so this message is for you. So we have to write for as a preposition.
आपके लिए फॉर लगेगा।
Yeah, this message dash is dash for as a preposition you. So you have to write for in this sentence. Okay. So all of you write down the all answers. Write down all the answers, beta. Have you write all the answers? Have you write all the answers? Have you done your work?
यस सर।
Okay.
राइटिंग कॉपी
Yes.
these पर राइटिंग पे कॉपी।
No, no, no. You have to only do this, fill in the blanks in your book only. Okay. You have to do this work only in your book, not in your copy. Okay. So now you have to take a picture of these exercises and send it to your group 4D. Okay. You have to take a picture of these exercises and send it to 4D group. Okay. Have you listened to my voice carefully?
यस सर।
Have you listened my voice carefully? Everyone say yes or no? Yes. So click on this picture of exercise number 1, 2, 3 and give it on the 4D group. Okay. Send it on the 4D group. Okay. Okay, students. Thank you. So the today class is over now. I will join the next class for tomorrow. Okay. And the rest part will complete on tomorrow. Okay. Okay, students. Bye bye.
यस सर।
We will join you tomorrow. Bye.
Recording stopped.